Hi folks, welcome to Kitchen Tips Online, and today I'm going to show you how to reduce your electric bill on your refrigerator and your freezer.
The number one thing you can do to reduce your energy consumption on your refrigerator or freezer is clean the condenser. Most refrigerators have a panel in the back that can be removed, and you can use a vacuum cleaner and a brush to clean it out. A very easy thing you can do to decrease the amount of time your refrigerator is running is to fill empty milk containers, plastic containers, with water, leaving room for expansion, and put them in your freezer. This will create a thermal mass and decrease the amount of time the refrigerator is running. And finally, if you have a compressor that's exposed in the back, you can take an ordinary fan and blow air across the compressor. This will decrease the compressor operating temperature and pressure, and that will reduce your electric bill and significantly extend the life of your refrigerator or freezer. Thanks for watching.